And of course, the great in-laws.
Yes.
We would like to award you the 50th anniversary
Wow, thank you.
trophy.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kuya Joe, for the ano.
Now it's the breaking of the
Yung
bread.
mama,
Drink
24 karat
from the
gold.
Golden eh.
Any speeches?
Wait, are you gonna take a picture?
Hey, I'd like to offer a toast. So, to mom and dad, through thick and thin, have survived 50 years and counting. So, thank you, mom and dad, for everything that you have given to us. Happy anniversary! Teka, wala kang picture.
Alright.
Speech
Thank you.
from the farthest traveler from the
There you
east.
go, Mom. You can look at it.
Do not use as a
Yeah.
Pwede sanlayan, gold yan. Papatunaw nyo.
Do not use as a weapon of mass destruction.
Ay, bato ha. They might throw it each other, you know?
Kita nyo daw yung ano yun. Ayan.
Oh, look, they're doing something over here. The captains or something over here. Oh,
Yeah.
oh,
Maybe...
Military.
oh, they're folding a flag.
Someone died or something.
Oh, maybe ano, ashes.
A burial.
Oh.
Let's see.
Maybe the ashes.
It's a burial. I don't
Uy.
know that.
Ulit kami ni Pedro.
Thank you, guys.
One of my residents said thank
Yay, surprise!
I'm going to use your restroom. I'll be right back. Where's it? It's a restroom in this place.
Naalala mo yung 40th, wala pa si ano eh. Si Brian lang, tapos si JJ wala kasama. Yeah!
Di oh?
Naalala mo ng 40? Ikaw lang mag-isa?
Wala.